Did you know that 70% of the entire immune system lies within our gut? The gut or the digestive system plays a central role to our immunity. It is the main route of contact with the external environment and is overloaded every day with external stimuli, sometimes dangerous such as bacteria, toxic substances, or viruses. The crucial position of the gastrointestinal system is testified by the huge number of immune cells that reside within it. Indeed, gut-associated lymphoid tissue represents almost 70% of the entire immune system and resides within the gut. The human gastrointestinal tract is considered one of the most densely populated ecosystems on our planet, and harbors millions of healthy bacteria referred to as the gut microbiota, whose activities have significant consequences for us in terms of health and disease. The study of the gut microbiome has been revolutionized in recent years, with thousands of studies published about this topic. This vast array of research and data has contributed to a deeper understanding of the role of the gut microbiome in health and disease. The healthy adult microbiota has been shown to be influenced by a number of factors. These factors include diet consumed, which appears to be an important contributing factor and heavily impacts our gut flora. Other factors that influence gut flora are the use of direct or indirect antibiotic usage. Indirect antibiotic consumption occurs when consuming antibiotic-containing animal-derived products, such as beef and chicken. Aging also has a significant impact on the gut microbiota, with dramatic compositional and functional changes observed in the elderly. But why is the gut flora or microbiome important? The gut microbiome is an integral part of our health and serves a myriad of functions. It provides essential nutrients and bioactive metabolites, which can be produced directly by this flora. It prevents pathogen colonization directly or indirectly through a phenomenon referred to as colonization resistance and helps prevent getting sick. It sustains the integrity of the mucosal barrier, which is an essential component in the orchestration of immune functioning within the gut, and helps our immunity against pathogens and infection. Fruits and vegetables are major components of the human diet, providing essential carbohydrates and dietary fibers. Diet influences the composition of the gut microbiota, and this has been confirmed in several studies. A westernized lifestyle and consuming a Western diet is characterized by low fruit and vegetable intake. Individuals in westernized countries tend to highly consume animal-derived proteins such as meat or processed meat, saturated fats, refined grains, sugar, salt, alcohol, and all these affect the gut microflora balance. The link between nutrition and gut microbiota and health has been described in many studies published in recent years. Long-term dietary habits appear to have the most profound influence on the quality of the gut microbiota and hence its efficacy to the human body. In this regard, healthy eating patterns with adequate fruits and vegetables, ensuring a rich source of dietary fiber, along with healthy fats and a trend towards more plant-derived proteins should help promote gut microbiota. But as countries become more industrialized and range of choice expands, consumers tend to eat for taste satisfaction or convenience rather than for the food's nutritional content. However, eating foods that promote a healthy gut is of utmost importance, as it can help prevent disease. Evidence-based research demonstrates that eating foods that promote a healthy gut is of utmost importance, as it can help prevent disease. You are therefore encouraged to follow a healthy diet and lifestyle. Looking after the health of the gut, and maintaining the right balance of these microorganisms, is vital for physical and mental health, and immunity against disease. So make sure to eat foods that promote a healthy intestinal flora. To learn more about these foods, together with other habits that promote a healthy gut, click on the link below. In the link below, you will find all the details you need that may help you boost a healthy immune system. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, as more videos about this topic and other healthy living tips will follow soon. Thank you, and click the subscribe button now.